Alright. Here's a Darth Vader grinder. Pretty nice. Really clean looking. The threads are very nice. Very, very nice. Look at the teeth, diamond teeth. Cut very well. The holes are nice and spaced. Magnetic. See if it holds very well. Magnetic on it, it's pretty strong. Get some good G-force to make it fall off. Pretty sick right here. That's better than the other ones I have. This is the best one I have. Let's see. And you don't want to stick your bud directly on top of a real big piece, because then you squish it down and it gets caught between this piece and this piece. The magnetics, it keeps it from going all the way down and grinding well. Diameter 2.5 inches. So you're gonna want a piece of weed about almost 1 inch thick for bud. This one much smaller. Same thing, you got that magnetic thing in the middle. This one holds pretty good. A little detail on this. If only this lightsaber part was red, that'd be pretty cool. Got the colors added to it. That's all I need is some coloring. But yeah, really good detail. This helmet's coming off. But this one's only about 1.5 inches wide diameter with a little piece of weed about 1/2 inch thick. Or bud, whatever you grind. I'm in Colorado, so I do my green. Last but not least, it's my Yoda. Really smooth. Some teeth aren't as great. They're kind of oval instead of diamond, like a football. And there's not very many of them. The holes are kind of small for how many teeth there is. Although the magnetic on it is still really good, grips really well. It even almost bounces back. It almost comes off and then sticks right back before it can fall. So that's good. But yeah, it just needs more teeth. Unless I did it so you can stick more green in there, I don't have to worry about all the teeth. This one is just slightly less than the other one. Yeah, just slightly less. But it just feels so much bigger. That's what she said. And then, yeah, about 1 inch can fit in there. That's what she said. And then you got 2 inches. Pretty nice. Not as It's like aluminum or something. This one's more of a steel. I like this one a lot better. Darth Vader, he wins again. Sorry, Yoda. Stoned I am. I hope you enjoyed my grinder review. See you next time.